So you have now the law of exponent, no? Balaod sa exponent. So the first one is what we call product. Again, product law. Say product, you can see this one horizontally. Pag timan-ing horizontal siya. Horizontal. So painana, napahalang. So let's say for example, sabi sa product law, for example, say product, so nata sa times, makikita horizontal. So we have here for example x raised to the power of 5 times x raised to the power of 2. So na-apply na ini mo nung katong pag-multiply na to sa polynomials. So this should be the first step, but nag-jump ta, no? So mubalik ta dani. So same base sila, again product law. Pag same base, copy. I mean, the first step that you need to do is to multiply the numerical coefficient. In this case, pilang numerical coefficient din pag walay nakabutang 1. Again, that's the first step. So 1, pilang numerical coefficient din 1. So multiply na 1 times 1 is equal to 1. Then proceed na rin ta sa exponent law or rule. So we have here the product law or product rule. X, copy X. Kay same man sila, i-add yon 5 times 2, 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Again, basta numerical coefficient is 1, pwede ra na dili isulat. So it is also equal to 7 x raised to the power of 7. Another example, 2m raised to the power of 2 times 3m raised to the power of 3. Again, first step, multiply first numerical coefficient. That's the first step. So 2 times 3, kini 1 times 1 naman, that's why we have 1. 2 times 3, we have 6. Karon proceed ta sa variable. Same ba sila og variable? Nabay same, kay we have m here, no, copy. Nabay m sa picas factor, we have. So we just need to add that 1. 2 plus 3, again nagi-add na to ang numerical, ang exponent. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. This is our answer now. Gets? Sayo na, diba? Okay?